If you have been uploading your videos directly as public, you might be making a huge mistake, and this could be costing you views, subscribers, even engagements. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the right way for you to upload your videos so that the YouTube algorithm can push your videos to the right audience. So my name is Stephanie Uju, and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Now, if this is your first time here, you're highly welcome. Here, I share stories, my personal stories, and I also share tips on growth, YouTube growth, self development, and as well as about beauty and lifestyle. So, if you love watching any of these, do well to what? To subscribe, and you are welcome to my channel. All right, so let's dive right into the video. When you go to upload your video on YouTube, you're going to see some options. You see public, you see private, unlisted, schedule, premiere. Now most persons just go ahead to upload via the public. I did that too the first time I uploaded my video, and that is a huge mistake. All right, now in this video, like I said, when I'm going to show you step by step, but then when you put it straight to public, YouTube algorithm is supposed to optimize your video. They're supposed to understand your title, your thumbnail, your description, and know the right audience to push your video to. But then when you push the video down to public, it denies them that opportunity. So imagine that I don't like watching skits and I'm seeing skit videos. What happens? I'll skip them. But then imagine if that's also your video. That's how you don't get views. But imagine that you don't push the video first via public. You put it maybe in private or unlisted and then put schedule. And YouTube takes their time to understand that and push it to the right audience. What's going to happen? A lot of views will start happening. So like I said, I'm going to show you step by step how you do that. So first of all, you don't even have to do that via the YouTube app or YouTube Studio app. The best way to do that, to upload videos, should be YouTube dashboard, the Chrome version, desktop Chrome version. So I'm going to first of all, you should download the Chrome app. So I'll show you right now step by step how you do that. Okay, click on Chrome and then type studio.youtube.com to bring it to this place. Then click on create. Then it's going to bring out some options. You click on the first one, which is upload video. Okay, then bringing you to this place, you select files and you can choose only this time or while using the app, whichever one. Next thing is it's going to bring out these three options. Take the middle one, that's the media picker, and select the file. You would want to save the file with a name that you can easily find, okay, on YouTube as well. Now the next thing is going to bring out this. Click on the details and the title. You can change the title to the title you prefer. Then the description, you put in the description as well. Okay, then you go down. We're going to come to the thumbnail anyway. Here you can just select the middle one, that's the auto-generated thumbnail. Okay, for now, then just save it. Then select if you want it to be for kids or not. The next thing is click on show more, add tags, and add your tags, depending on the type of video you're uploading. So this video is about story and cooking, and yeah, so that's why I'm selecting this tag. Okay, so the next thing is you can add the video language, very important as well. Select English, depending on the language you want it to be in. Then the next thing is you select the location, okay? The location, which is in Nigeria. You can then go to this publish to subscriptions feed and notify. So very important, ensure to make sure that it's ticked. This will enable your subscribers to get notified, okay? All right, so that's it for the details. So the next one is going to, yeah, I think we are done with the details. So the next one is the video element, the video element. So now here in the video element, you're going to go down to add cards. You see all these things that we see that there's a link popping up. That is what this one does. So you just add the video and select the video you want to pop up, and you can see that it's now showing up there. Okay, so that's how you add tags, and you can now use this to, you know, figure out where you want it to be, where you want the video to pop up at. Maybe you're talking about the video and you want it to pop up at a certain place. This is what this arrow does. Okay, all right, so the next here is the visibility. Okay, here this is quite important, this visibility. We have the private, the unlisted, the public, and the premier, which is down. If you go down a bit, so for the private, it's just for only you, okay, and anybody you want to share the link with. Same thing with the unlisted, you can, it's just for you and the people you share your link with. Okay, so you can put this video in private, your video in private or unlisted if you're not yet, you know, ready to publish it. Okay, so for the public here, this for everyone can watch it. Okay, so here you can now set a premiere. This is usually used by musicians. Schedule is the next one. You can set the dates and the time you want this video to be published. Okay, and it will help you to save your video. So it means you can batch make the videos and just set the time and date you want them to be released. All right, so I think that's it. You can see now the time is already set. So once it is that time, YouTube will just, you know, publish the video for you. Maybe you set it for next week, it will publish it by that time. So that's it. You save and you're good to go. Okay, all right guys, think, and you can see here now that the video is already scheduled for this dates. Okay guys, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you got value. I hope you are able to understand better. And if you did not understand or you have questions, please do well to leave that in the comment section. I'll be ready to respond to all your questions. And if you watched to this end, thank you so much. You're the real MVP, and hope to see you in my next video. So also like this video so that YouTube can recommend to other people. So thank you guys so much, and do well to subscribe. Bye.